Do this! Do that! Oh, me! She'd be lost without me. And what do I get in return? Nothing. And I just need a little appreciation. And candy. I know, right? I don't ask much. You totally get me.
Sam, are you complaining again?
What's a slime to do? No candy, no fun, no attention.
Ah, come on, sour face. Let's do something cool.
Something sweet?
Maybe.
Don't play with me!
Hey, Sam, so what should I do?
Just as I said, nothing can be done without me.
Okay. How about a cool gummy spinner?
No, it's definitely not your brightest day.
How about a chocolate spinner?
Oh, now you're talking! That's one wild spinning dream!
Hey guys, today Sam and I will be making a chocolate spinner. Sam!
What now?
Why don't you ask something?
Right. Guys, did you subscribe to my channel? Thank you kindly.
To make a spinner, we'll need modeling clay, M&Ms, some chocolate, foil, and a bearing.
Ha! That's so much better than some silly gummy spinner.
I'm going to make a mold myself using modeling clay. Let's start with green. Now I'll soften it up a bit with my hands so it's easier to shape. There. A little rolling definitely won't hurt. This looks good, I think. And now we need to flatten the ball out like this. Don't make it too thin though. And now we'll press the spinner into the mold. Ah, there. The more pressure, the better it leaves a print. I shaped it out a little bit more, and now let's take the spinner out so we can play with it later. Looks perfect. Let's wrap the bearing in foil really well so the chocolate doesn't get inside and damage it. There. And put the bearing in the middle of the mold right here. I already melted some chocolate, but maybe a little bit more than needed.
You forgot to add the secret ingredient.
Which one?
A sweet one!
But chocolate is already so sweet.
I have a feeling that you'll ruin my spinner.
Hey!
You are my Everest! Come on, you give it up right now! Oh yeah, baby.
Sam, what are you doing?
Quality control. You know how many fakes are out there now?
Oh. Okay, let's add some sugar. I'm not really sure what difference it could make, though.
Huge one!
No way.
Are you a sugar expert?
No, but it seems like you are. Let's fill the whole mold with the liquid chocolate, like this. Do it slowly. It should look nice and neat. And a little bit more. There, done. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We need to put a few M&Ms on each part to add some weight.
What if you add weight to Sam and put M&Ms on him?
Nope. Okay, I left the chocolate spinner to harden, and I'm gonna make another one with a glue gun. I have some super cute color and glitter glue gun sticks. Sam should love it. There.
You wanna know a bear joke?
Maybe.
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
What?
A gummy bear!
I already made another mold, so let's grease it up with some Vaseline so it's easier to take the spinner out after the glue hardens. There. And place the bearing in. Done. I'll fill the mold with the glue. Now remember, guys, you need to be really careful with a hot glue gun. Make sure your parent helps you. And some more. Make sure this small space here is filled too, or the spinner will break really easily. Great, let's leave it for a bit too. All right, the spinner is hardened. Let's try to take it out. Oh wow, that was easy. Look how great it turned out. And it spins too.
Stop touching it with your dirty hands.
Why? Is it yours?
Oh, don't be silly.
Okay, it's been an hour. Let's see how the chocolate spinner turned out.
It doesn't look right to me.
Just wait. It'll be okay. Sam always panics. I know the spinner will turn out great. Or not. Maybe if I turn it. Nope. Oh, something definitely went wrong here. I can't even scoop it out.
Yep, ruined. Just as I thought.
Guys, the chocolate spinner failed. Leave a comment below if you know why. And if you like the glue spinner, give a thumbs up. Bye-bye. See you soon.